I think I found the thinnest folding keyboard out there. This one is completely different. This is its own class. Hello and welcome back YouTube. I'm your host, VOD, favorite folding keyboard. I love the feel of it. It's big, it's backlit, it's under 50 bucks. The iClever BK05 has always been my favorite folding keyboard. I think it always might be, but today I actually might have a competitor that actually might dethrone it and then be the king of folding keyboard. This is the Meepow folding keyboard. It's 3.5 millimeters thin, and this one is strangely good, and yeah.
If you like my content, please buy me a coffee. Link in the description. Thank you, and have a good day.
You can pick this off Amazon for about 50 bucks right now. When I saw it, I just had to pick it up just to try it out. It comes with a nice little carrying case to it, and inside the box itself, you are given a charge cable. It is micro USB. They did that to keep the cost down. I wish more folding keyboards would have USB Type-C, just so you can eliminate that process of carrying an extra cable for that. But these Chinese companies just tend to do micro because it's cheaper. It's kind of annoying. But this keyboard itself, it is only 3.5 millimeters thick, and that's insane for a full-size folding keyboard for 50 bucks. It is insane. This reminds me of the Logitech K280 because the buttons are round like that. That's not a bad thing. I mean, micro USB is bad, but this keyboard actually isn't too bad. It's held together via magnets, how it keeps it closed. There's no actual off or on switch. With a lot of folding keyboards, you don't have that, but you are given a full-size keyboard for $50. That's 3.5 millimeters thick. That is really good in my opinion, and like this thing is insanely thin. I tend to use the iClever BK05. That's by far my favorite. That's not the thinnest one. It's not like a taco in your pocket. This thing is really thin. This is about half as thick as a BK05. Granted, that thing is a little bit of chunker, but this is just insanely thin. I mean, this is almost as thin as my table cover itself. The typing experience is actually really pleasant. The only downside about typing on this is you have to get kind of used to it just because it's a little bit more round. When I got the Logitech K280, it took me a minute to get familiarized and used to that keyboard with muscle memory and my finger positioning. But this keyboard, it is a little bit clicky. It's not mushy. It clicks really well. Buttons are not mushy. They're a little bit springy. I mean, like the typing experience is really good. I've owned the Logitech K280 for a while. Like the style of this keyboard is a little bit different. So with muscle memory in your fingers, you have to get used to it. But I mean, it's pretty well-rounded. Like the only gripe about it is it's a little bit loud when you click. I mean, granted, every keyboard will click. Some will click a little bit more than others, but just this one, it's just a little bit too clicky for my own personal preference. Like, I will admit, like, the keyboard itself is kind of clicky when you type with the buttons, but, I mean, it's not bad. Like, when you unwind it, you open, you close it, it's really sturdy. Like, it's not really flimsy. It doesn't really feel cheap. It doesn't feel like a cheap $20. This is pretty well built for, you know, the price. Granted, it is 50 bucks. It's in the same price range as the iClever BK05. If you want, you know, a keyboard that's more circular with the buttons itself, I mean, this is actually quite pocketable. And if you're not really wanting to put one in a bag, you like to put it in like cargo pants, this is the BK05. It just sticks out like a sore thumb. But the other one, it will fit in cargo shorts really well, or your normal pocket. If you have a phone like Samsung Dex or a tablet, this would work really well. The BK05, it's metal, it's heavy, it's big, it's bulky. The other one is a lot smaller. It's about half its weight, half its dimensions. The footprint is a lot smaller. It's a lightweight folding keyboard with a button layout I'm really a fan of. Granted, it is micro USB, not Type-C, which they're all kind of like that. But I mean, that's my only really gripe. Price is good. It's not backlit. You have all day battery life. Can't switch between three devices. It's only one. But even the BK05 is micro USB. But I do recommend this. So I'm your host, VLD, signing out. Smash that bell and subscribe.